Hi there, I'm Angela Calla with Dominion Lending Centers. Thank you so much for taking a minute with me today. Today I wanted to share with you one of the concepts that inspired me to write my book, The Mortgage Code. In The Mortgage Code, I break down the why behind everything mortgage. If you've been watching CBC News and Go Public, you've heard many stories about banks having pressure to meet sales targets. And what I want to share with you today as a consumer is, as an independent mortgage broker, we work with all the banks, trust companies, and credit unions to give you unbiased advice. And we have absolutely nobody looking over our shoulders that holds us to a regard to sell a specific product to a specific client. The very foundation of our licensing is to provide clients with options and for them to make a decision on what is best for them. In a blog that we have posted on angelacalla.ca, you'll see some details about how the people who work for the banks have a specific set of targets to meet, and they are required to meet those targets in order to get their compensation. And that is one of the reasons why I'm so proud to be an independent mortgage professional. And I don't feel it's fair to point out any one individual bank, although there are some in the news a little more than others, because that's the business of banks. Banks look at every single borrower as an individual that they are there to make the most amount of money off of, and they're there to sell it to you however it works for them to meet their targets for their shareholders. Whereas as an independent professional, we know that that's every single lender's target, but our only option is to provide you with all the options and tell you all the pros and all the cons so you make an educated decision. I know you must have loved ones that have mortgages or other financial products directly with the banks. I have to warn you, it is incredibly dangerous. While we have access to all those lenders, the recommendations that you will get from us will be all the pros and all the cons. Do yourself a favor, make sure you share this and the article with those that you love, and ensure that when you reach out to the Angela Calla Mortgage team, we're here to give you unbiased advice, regardless if that means doing business with us or not. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.